Okay guys, so here we are. It is Christmas Day and I'm going to be showing you how to install the Play Store on your new Amazon Kindle Fire 7 tablet. Now these tablets usually go on sale around the holidays and on Black Friday. I picked this one up on Black Friday for $30. There's an unboxing on my channel if you want to go check it out. But these tablets, they come with the Amazon App Store, but it's not really that much usefulness. There's not like YouTube. You have to use YouTube through the internet. There's Netflix, but there's no YouTube, and YouTube's one of the big things I use. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Google Play Store so that you can install like every app that is on the Google Play Store, and it works really well. So you can just click on Google Play Store, and then boom, just like that, you've got full access to the Google Play Store. So I'm going to be resetting this tablet just to show you exactly what it would be like if you had just got this tablet out of the box. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've reset the tablet to factory settings just to go ahead and simplify it, just to show you that it actually works. So it's just going to be coming straight like out of the box state, nothing funny business going on. I am going to skip the setup though, just to save time in this video. And so then we will go ahead, now that we're on the home screen, and I'm going to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi, which is easy enough once it loads. A little bit of a slower tablet, but I'm just going to go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi. There we go. So now that we're connected to Wi-Fi, we can go home, and don't worry about this little thing. It's just requesting permission for the Contacts app to work. It's nothing at all. So just like that, we're on the home menu. We've got Wi-Fi. So now we're going to want to head over to a web browser, like Silk web browser. It's just the pre-installed one. It'll work fine for this video. You just need to be able to access YouTube to get to the description of this video. So you're just going to want to head over to youtube.com. And then you're going to want to go up and search for this channel's name, Random Tech Knowledge. Random Tech Knowledge. And then you're going to want to go to the description of this video that you're watching, not that video. I just put the links in that video just because this video, of course, isn't on YouTube yet. So now that we're in the description of this video, you're going to see the 4 links right here. Now, they'll be a little bit more organized than this. I just did it like this just for this video, just to be able to show you kind of what's going on. So you're going to want to download these in this exact order. But before you do that, you're going to want to go home, and you're going to want to go to settings, and you're going to want to go down to security and privacy. And then right here, apps from unknown sources, you're going to want to turn that on, and then just hit OK. That's going to allow us to sideload the Play Store from the apps that we're going to download from this YouTube video. So you're just going to want to click on the first one, and then it's going to bring you to this website. Don't mess with anything, just go down here and hit download APK. And then it'll take a minute, but it will take you to the download page. Sometimes it's a little bit slow, but it'll take you to the download page and say your download is starting. And then it will pop up with a thing saying that it needs to download files. You're just going to hit OK. And then Silk Browser needs to access your device to install the files. So there you go. This type of file can harm the device. Just hit OK to download. And then just like that, it's downloaded. So then you want to get and click Open. And then that will open the installer. And then this is for the first one, the Google Account Manager. And it's very crucial that you install these in the order listed in the description, because it kind of like they build onto each other as they're being installed. So just like that, number 1 was installed. So now we can go close that tab. We can go to the second one. So there's the second one, Google Services Framework. Just scroll down here and hit Download APK. And then it will take take us to the download page. Now it won't ask you all that stuff again because you already did all that stuff. So it'll just say your download is starting, and then it should pop up a little thing saying that this type of file can harm your device. And then you're just gonna wanna hit OK. And then just like that, we're downloaded. So you're gonna hit open again. It will come up with Google Services Framework, hit install. It will go ahead and install it. These usually don't take that long, as you can see, because this is a decent tablet. You know, it's not like the old Fires where they're kind of slow. So now you're gonna wanna go download the third one. Same process. It's really pretty simple. Just scroll down to download APK, and then it will download, and we will be off to the races. Okay. Downloads. Gonna hit open again. Starting up. Google Play Services, and then we're gonna hit install. Go ahead and install that. This one takes a little bit longer. This is kind of like the other half of the Play Store, kind of. This is what allows the Android apps to be able to run on the hardware. It's basically kind of like an adaptive layer. It's pretty fancy. So there we go, installed, and hit done. We'll just take us back there, close that tab, go to the fourth link, which is the actual Google Play Store itself, and you're going to scroll down. We're going to hit download APK, and try not to click on an ad. There we go. So your download is starting. Just a matter of waiting. So there it is. Going to hit OK, and then we're going to hit open. So now we're going to hit install. Same process as all the other four. It's really pretty easy. So there we go, installing the Play Store. And then once this is installed, you can literally just hit open, and it will open right up. So just hit open. Boom, just like that, you're gonna have the Play Store. I do recommend restarting your device, but you don't necessarily have to. As you can see, it works right here. You just hit sign in, and it should take you to the sign in page. Just checks your info, which it does that on a normal Android device. So that's no problems. And after a second, it should pop up saying that we need to sign in. And then just like that, you can just go through, sign in with your normal Google account, and you should be able to download any of the apps on the Play Store that are supported on this device. So it's really pretty simple, but I hope this can help. So just like that, this is a notification saying that Google Play Protect is turned on, which is a good feature to have, and update Google Play services. So once you're signed in, you're going to want to go ahead, click on that notification that I just cleared to update the Google Play services, and make sure that everything's working. But just like that, it's a pretty quick process, and just like that, boom, Google Play Store on this $50 tablet. It's an awesome little tablet. It can run most of the apps from the Play Store, and it's pretty awesome. You know, it's just a quick little tablet, nice and affordable.